Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return with penalty. Gather W-2s, 1099s, and records, then estimate tax due and calculate the penalty amount. Complete Form 1040, include penalty and interest figures, and choose an electronic payment to speed processing. If you owe, consider setting up a payment plan to reduce further charges. Keep copies of all filings and confirmations for your records and future reference. Start by determining the late filing percent and the late payment percent that apply to your situation. Add accrued interest at the stated rate from the due date until payment. Combine tax, penalties, and interest to get the total owed amount. Use the IRS worksheet or your tax software to avoid math errors and double-check Form 1040 entries that trigger penalties. Consider documentation if you plan to request penalty relief. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tax tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading long tax guides and PDFs on the go, and it makes study breaks easier. I find it handy for highlighting important steps and keeping reference files at my fingertips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose e-file for faster processing and clearer confirmation of submission and receipt. Select a payment method that fits your budget. Direct debit avoids extra processing time. If the total with penalties is unaffordable, request an installment agreement or consider an offer in compromise if eligible. Always submit the return, even if you cannot pay, to limit failure to file penalties, and keep evidence of filing and payment attempts for any future dispute or abatement request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.